Hello, health enthusiasts. In today's episode, we're diving into a daily habit that might just change your health game. Protein shakes every morning. But what exactly does this mean for your body? From muscle growth to meal cravings, we're unpacking it all. Stay tuned to discover if this routine is your stairway to health heaven. Why protein shakes? Protein shakes have soared in popularity, becoming a staple for fitness lovers and health-conscious individuals alike. They're not just about building muscles, they serve as a nutritional powerhouse that can significantly enhance your fitness journey. Intrigued? Let's break down the benefits of integrating a protein shake into your morning ritual. Did you know that starting your day with a protein-rich breakfast could help keep those pesky hunger pangs at bay? Research suggests that protein is more effective at suppressing the hunger hormone ghrelin compared to carbs. A morning protein shake could be your secret weapon in reducing calorie intake and managing your weight effectively. Getting enough protein can be a challenge, especially if you have dietary restrictions or follow a vegetarian lifestyle. Here's where a morning protein shake can be a game changer. It ensures you're getting those essential amino acids crucial for everyone, but especially if you don't consume animal products. It's about making sure your body isn't missing out on these vital building blocks. Protein isn't just a nutrient, it's a necessity that helps sculpt and maintain everything from muscles to hormones. Particularly for those who exercise regularly, protein supports muscle repair and growth, ensuring your workouts are working for you. Think of it as the foundation that helps you build and sustain a stronger body. Beyond amino acids, protein shakes are vessels for vitamins and minerals. Imagine blending kale, spinach, or beets. Each adds a nutritional punch to your shake. Fruits like bananas and blueberries not only enhance the flavor, but also boost your shake with fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. Let's not forget additions like nuts, seeds, or yogurt that turn your shake into a nutrient-dense meal. Stability in your blood sugar levels throughout the day is crucial for maintaining energy and avoiding those midday crashes. Protein is excellent at slowing down the absorption of sugar during meals, which can help stabilize your blood sugar levels. By incorporating a protein shake into your breakfast, you're not only fueling your body, but also setting the stage for a steady energy supply throughout your day. Did you know that protein is also vital for brain function? Amino acids from protein are the building blocks for neurotransmitters, which communicate information throughout your brain and body. A morning shake rich in protein can boost neurotransmitter production, enhancing your mood, memory, and cognitive functions. It's like a morning coffee for your brain, but better. Protein shakes do more than just fill you up and build muscle. They also play a crucial role in maintaining healthy skin, hair, and nails. Collagen, a type of protein, is essential for the strength and elasticity of your skin. Regular intake of protein helps in the production of collagen, giving your skin a healthy, vibrant glow. Similarly, protein supports the strength of your hair and nails, promoting growth and preventing breakage. Your immune system relies heavily on protein. The antibodies that help fight disease are actually made of protein. Regular consumption of protein shakes can provide your body with the necessary resources to strengthen your immune response and protect against illness. Especially in the colder months or during stressful times, a protein shake can be a delicious boost to your immune system. One of the best things about protein shakes is their convenience. In our busy lives, it's often difficult to prepare a nutritious meal, especially in the morning. A protein shake is a quick and easy solution that doesn't compromise on nutrition. Moreover, the versatility of protein shakes means you can customize ingredients according to your dietary needs and preferences. Whether it's adding a scoop of peanut butter for extra energy or a dash of cinnamon for anti-inflammatory properties, the possibilities are endless. Integrating protein shakes into your diet can also aid in weight management. Protein is more satiating than carbohydrates and fats, which means it can keep you full longer and prevent overeating. By starting your day with a protein shake, you set a healthy tone for the rest of the day, making it easier to control your overall calorie intake without feeling deprived. Your gut health is a key player in your overall wellness, influencing everything from digestion to emotional health. Protein helps to repair tissues in the body, including those in the gut. Some protein shakes also contain probiotics or can be mixed with a probiotic-rich yogurt, enhancing your gut flora, which is essential for a healthy digestive system. Revitalize your journey to wellness with Sumatra's Slim Belly Tonic. Crafted from exotic, all-natural ingredients, our tonic is engineered to boost metabolism and melt away stubborn belly fat. Picture yourself feeling rejuvenated, lighter, and ready to take on the world with a renewed sense of health. This isn't just another diet supplement. It's a transformative approach to achieving and maintaining your ideal weight. Explore our detailed product guide in the description box below, where you'll find everything you need to kickstart your transformation to a sleeker, healthier you. Start your transformation today. Let's delve into the types of protein powders you can use for your shakes. Whey protein is one of the most popular and well-researched supplements. It's a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids necessary for human health. It's particularly favored for its fast absorption rate, making it ideal for post-workout recovery. Whey protein can significantly enhance muscle repair and growth, especially when consumed shortly after exercise. Unlike whey, casein protein digests slowly, making it excellent for providing a steady release of amino acids over several hours. This slow digestion process makes casein the perfect protein shake to consume before bed, aiding in muscle recovery and growth throughout the night. If you're looking for a protein that helps maintain fullness for longer periods, casein might just be your go-to. For those following a vegetarian or vegan lifestyle, plant-based proteins offer a fantastic alternative to animal-derived powders. Options like pea protein, hemp protein, and rice protein provide substantial health benefits and are often easier on the stomach. They are great for those with dairy allergies or lactose intolerance and can be just as effective in promoting muscle growth and maintaining overall health. Some people prefer a blended protein powder that combines various sources such as whey, casein, and plant proteins. These blends offer the fast-acting benefits of whey along with the slower digestion rates of other proteins, providing a balanced, all-in-one approach to muscle recovery and satiety. Adding flax seeds or chia seeds to your protein shake isn't just about texture. It's about boosting your intake of omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats are known for their anti-inflammatory properties and their role in brain and heart health. Integrating them into your daily protein shake can help you meet your daily omega-3 needs conveniently. Consider enhancing your shakes with berries like blueberries, raspberries, or blackberries. These fruits are not only low in calories but high in antioxidants, which fight against oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. They add a natural sweetness and a boost of health benefits to your morning shake. Adding a source of fiber to your protein shake can enhance digestive health significantly. Ingredients like oats or a tablespoon of psyllium husk can increase the fiber content of your shake, helping to keep your digestive system running smoothly. Superfoods like spirulina, matcha, or cocoa powder can turn an ordinary protein shake into a nutrient powerhouse. These ingredients are known for their unique health benefits, such as enhancing energy levels, improving mental clarity, and providing a rich source of antioxidants. The versatility of protein shakes allows you to tailor flavors to your liking. Whether you prefer a sweet shake using natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup, or a savory version with spices like cinnamon or turmeric, the possibilities are endless. Experimenting with different combinations can make your protein shake not only a health ritual, but also a daily treat to look forward to. The texture of your protein shake can make a big difference in how enjoyable it is. Some want their shakes thick and smoothie-like, achieved by adding bananas or avocados, which also provide healthy fats and a creamy texture. Others might prefer a lighter, more liquid shake by simply using water or almond milk. While most protein shakes are enjoyed cold or at room temperature, consider the occasional warm protein shake, especially in colder weather. Warm shakes can be comforting and a novel way to enjoy your protein intake, especially with flavors like chocolate or vanilla, which feel like a healthy hot cocoa. We love hearing from you. Share your favorite protein shake recipes in the comments below. What ingredients do you swear by? Have you discovered any unique flavor combinations or health hacks that make your protein shake the best part of your morning? Let's build a community of health enthusiasts who support and inspire each other with their creativity and dedication to health. Thank you for joining us today at Health Haven. We'd hope you're leaving with some great ideas to supercharge your protein shake routine. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and tricks. Here's to making every morning start with a boost of health.